Our blizzard bags, I'll show you what's going to be in them. So Heartland Hospice, they gave us some great bags. Hormel gave us a bunch of chili. We have Campbell's soup. We have a whole bunch of food from Woodman's Checkout Hunger. Bushel and Peck's made our clients some apple butter. We have peanut butter from a generous donor. A whole bunch more food from Woodman's. Thrivance Action Team. Subaru of Janesville donated some macaroni and cheese and granola bars. Town Bank gave us a whole bunch of Kleenexes. We have some cough drops. Ace Hardware in Beloit gave us some batteries for the clients. Community Health gave us toothbrushes and toothpaste. A chip clip from Heartland Hospice. We have chips from Frito-Lay and Kettle Foods. We have these beautiful placemats from the Grinnell Hall quilting ladies. They just do an amazing job. We have these gorgeous hats and scarves and mittens from RSVP volunteers. We have some calendars from Daily Murphy Wish, and we have some little scrubbies from a volunteer who made them, and some really cute little holiday tree decorations. Beloit Junior Women's Club always makes these adorable toilet paper snowmen. We have some cards from Ameriprise Financial and Rock Valley Chapel, and that's it.